trailer. First thing you want to do, select a location. I'm going to install the camera between the top clearance lights. So I'm going to mount a bracket, drill a hole, pass the wire through. To mount the camera, I'm simply going to take a screw, mount the bracket. Takes 2 screws. I'm using self-tapping Phillips head screws. The bracket's mounted. I've got to have a hole to run the camera wires inside the trailer. So I'm going to drill a hole to pass the wires through. I'm going to pass the entire wire harness indoors, and we'll make connections. We're just going to simply tie it to the running light circuit on the inside, remount the camera and its hood to the bracket using the provided hardware. Aim the camera where you like it, tighten the adjusting screws. There are 6 screws. Tighten the screws to hold it in place. When you're done with that, I'm going to take some silicone caulk. I'm going to fill the hole where I pass the wire through so that no water can get inside the trailer. Okay, we're on the inside. Wireless observation is really cool. I passed the harness to the inside of the trailer. I had to lower a cover panel to access the clearance light wires, but I am simply going to connect the black wire to ground, the red wire to the clearance lights of the trailer, and the camera will be powered every time the clearance lights are on. There is a switch on the harness that you need to press when you synchronize the camera to the monitor, but they do come paired together. That feature is used more for adding additional cameras, and I'm going to add an additional camera to the inside of the trailer in just a few minutes. Okay, here we go. I wanted an interior camera. You could look at your cargo, whether that be an animal, whether it's a sports car, SUV, whatever your toys are. Screw the bracket to the ceiling, run the harness again to the clearance lights. Camera's on anytime the clearance lights are on. Okay, to finish the installation, I simply attached the suction cup mount, put the monitor on the dashboard, and plugged it into the cigarette lighter. Now I can see what's behind me. And yes, don't move. You can see the traffic behind you now.